Okay, so what I'm gonna do, I know we're a couple minutes into this, and this is Professionals Close to Market. I was just doing some texting there with a new client, Terry. There's wants to set up a 529 plan. But this is trading, and this is Professionals Close to Market, and I'm just gonna try and put in some of the winners because it's been a big winning day. I guess we'll start with the overall win, right? Like so let's show what the winners, what the accounts are doing here. Well, here you see this Mosaic MOS. You can see we bought a credit spread on the 4th, and 2 days later, well, we bought it for 176 and we sold it for 195. So it's like not bad, almost a 20-cent credit, right? So 20-cent credit. Well, what is that? That is like 20 bucks, right? But it's a win. And so let's ensure I'm sharing. Let's start there. Am I even sharing? Share screen. I probably wasn't even sharing. So what I was talking about was this was a lot of bigger wins. So I don't know why I started with that, but that was um it's a 20-cent winner, 19-cent winner. It's like 19 bucks. So let's get to the big wins, or let's get to the account that we were going to show. So here we are with 25 minutes in trading, and we're going to clean up the battlefield. Can't believe the day is already gone and haven't had a chance to really um, implement a lot of things. Uh, well, we did implement a lot. I mean, look at this. Let's just start here. Let's refresh this. Look at this. The net account value is 581, 349. The unrealized gain is 61,318, and the day's gain alone is 31,760. So this is on the road to a million. I want to get to a million in 2 years here with this account, with this little options trading account. I don't say little, but this is um I want to get this account to $1 million. So this is a road to $1 million with this account. Well, let's see how, and you can see a day's gain alone was 1,252. So let's show you some of those trades and we'll see if we can walk this in. So we had a couple of our well, I guess we had FCX close, we had MOS close, we had ULMR close, and UNH all closed profitable, and those are all weekly trades, all profitable. We have two unprofitable trades that we're looking to close tomorrow: BTU and Intel put. But let's start with the FCX, which you can see here. Let's put it in. So this is a closing trade. Uh, Closing trade. So we sold the one FCX May 8th, 53 call for 685. And we bought the FCX, right, for 45. So let's do the math, right? I hate to do math in front of you. This is really not what this is designed for, is just doing math. 685 minus 0.45 equals something or other. 6.4, right? So 6.4. And when did we bought FCX, we can look back in time here. Well, let's go to our, I hate to do this. How come it's not mathing here? Let's look at our FCX. FCX. I didn't like that at all. We want executed orders. Doesn't like that. Let's check activity. This takes more time. Report Morgan. Yeah, on the 4th, right? Uh, 389, right? 389. So 6.4 minus 389. $2.5, and this was 100 shares, right? Times 100, right? 251. 251 divided by 389 equals like 64%. Is that right? It's 64%. Let's show the math. Here's the math. $2.51, which equals a 65% return. And essentially, when did we get in on it? Today's in 2 days. In 2 days. That's great, right? Maybe even 1 day because I think it got out yesterday. All right, so that's a winner. Let's do UNH. UNH is a winner. So we sold here. UNH, and this is a winner too. Everybody's a winner today. Let's so let's do the math. So this is on the 4th. We bought it 1431. So let's do it. Let's show you what I'm doing. So we we sold the May 8th 380 put for $20, 20.46, but we bought back the 307.50 put for 0.56, all right, which was 1990. 1990 minus 1990 minus 1430 14.30 equals 5.56 divided by the 14 divided by 14.3. 40% gain, 39% gain. In 2 days, or 1 or 2 days. So 40% gain in 2 days. Pretty darn good. So that's good. So 9:30 this morning, we sold the IBKR, right? We sold the June 18 70 put for 550 IBKR. So when the hell did we buy this thing? Or do we have more? BKR and on BKR. BKR. Okay. So here we bought it on April 28th, so last week, for it looks like 450. So 510 minus 450 divided by 450. 510 minus 4.5 equals 6 divided by 4.5 divided by 4.5 equals 13% gain in a week. In a week. No, we're going to show the losers. But let's keep going here. Not that. Gotta get rid of some of these Trying to get my inbox down to 50. I got 58. My unread inbox. Okay. Hey, NVIDIA XQ, we sold NVIDIA. Let's look at this. This is a winner, right? This was sold 5 hours ago, NVIDIA. An NV, we sold the May 8th 190 call for 1590. So let's see if we have such a thing in our and we bought that on the 4th. So this, I mean, in like one day, right? And we bought it for 1096. So so 15.9 minus 10.96 equals 4.9 divided by 10.96 equals 45% gain in about one day, 1/2 days, 1.5 days. And what? 45% gain in 1 to 2 days. Winner. Okay. So now we're still cleaning up the battlefield here. I don't see any more transactions here. I mean, let's see but we sold at 48 cents. The Netflix 92 call. So this we barely broke even for a few bucks. I think I may have even reported on this earlier. Did I? Well, I don't see it. So, but this is it's not a loss, I don't think. And it's a short trade. Maybe it is a loss. Yeah. Yeah, that's a loss. April 29th. We lost money there. We lost a couple $100. We're closed for a loss. We originally purchased on April 29th. I'm not sure if that was part of something or not, but for 2.65. Well, that's all I'm sure. So I lost a couple $100. So 265. 265 minus 48. That's the loss. .65 minus 0.48 is 2.9 times 100. So we lost $219. Loss. So we're still doing this. I think any other trades. Yeah, we got some. We didn't get into any. Not many. So we still got stuff going on. Still trying to clean up the battlefield here. So we close this BTU out. We still have BTU open, but we closed the short end of BTU May 8th. Still long for 1 day. We're going to close that out tomorrow, BTU. So that'll be a loss. So then today we did SPX put spread here, SPY put spread. Well, there's the other part of it. There's the sell the 130 by, or the 630. Not credit. uh, 2.1 minus 1.95. 2.1 minus 1.9595. So a 15-cent credit. Credit. Okay. So that is how we're looking so far. Come back to that. And we have 2 minutes left. I don't think we're going to get all the trades in that we want. This wasn't the most productive use of your time or mine. I don't know what the heck that is. a nice log for me, but I'll have to clean it up. I mean, somebody else is gonna have to do the math on the mathing. I might have to have a separate like page for mathing for the wins. That's taking way too long. Not getting into research. Not getting any research done. We did buy this. Again, we have the Intel trade going off. Uh, we're going to keep the Intel trade and BTU trade open. But we closed the short end for a penny. And I got a lottery ticket for tomorrow. And BTU and Intel. But they had Intel had an amazing day today because the market had an amazing day. I mean, just incredible. We're going to close here in a minute. I'm a little bit frustrated by the energy that was put into figuring out these returns, but that's the close, so we're going to pick it up later. We're going to dismiss. Close.